Hi guys, welcome back for another removal video. Here I have an Audi Q5 from 2022. I will remove the door panel. The door panel is held out by 4 Torx. 2 are underneath this trim and another 2 underneath this trim. And after that there are the new Audi clips, very easy to remove. Pull it towards you. Don't start with this side because it goes under the panel. To remove this cover, you will have a place underneath to put your plastic removal tool. Take a plastic removal tool, make some space to put your fingers under the panel and simply pull. Pull upward. This has a push tab and pull. Now this brown one, same thing. Pull this red tab, and after that underneath is a tab that you need to push and pull. This is your door panel, 4 screws, T20. For the front door panel, exactly the same thing. In order to remove the tailgate panel, you need to take off your triangle. Underneath 2 Torx. I will remove this cap just to have something to grab and pull. A push and pull plug. Those are the metal tabs. This one is missing, that means it will be there. The other piece of trim doesn't have any screws, just start with the sides, pulling towards the interior and after that towards you. You'll have 2 clips on each side and another 4 on the bottom. You'll have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take your 10mm socket, but be careful not to lose it. Now the spoiler is held out by clips. You'll have 2 big clips, white clips on each side. Here is the tip of the clip. What I will advise you is to take a tool like this one and push on the sides to release the clip. And that's it, guys. Here are the 2 white clips that you need to push them on both sides to release them, and you'll have another 5 blue ones. You'll have also 2 cables to disconnect. In order to remove this, you need to reach this tab and slowly pull. This is how you remove your spoiler and the tailgate panel from your Audi Q5 from 2022. Thank you for watching. See you next time.